Angry baby illustration. To draw this illustration, download color palette. Sketch if you need. And get brushes info. Go and check out the description below. Now let's get started. Let's draw sketch first.
Start off with circle as head. Divide circle into 4 parts. Slice off circle from sides. And add in landmark of chin. Now reduce opacity of this layer and add a layer. Now roughly draw your sketch just for guide. Head of children is usually bigger than their face as compared to adults. This is the main difference of children drawing. Now add rough facial features just to make sure the placement of shapes roughly. Now draw rough body. Now hide lower layer and reduce opacity of upper layer, and add a layer. Now recognize your mistakes according to reference you have. Draw eyes closer to eyebrows. First mistake. Now reduce distance of boundary of face from eyes. And make cheeks more chubby. Draw ears up to base of eyes. Make the head a little bit smaller. Make the neck wider as the face is a little bit downward. Now make the sketch more neat and add detailed features. Refine outline now and make it look more catchy. Add some shades to sketch. This step is optional, you can skip this step. I am using solid fill for eyes. Now I am using soft airbrush. Add in shadows. And it's done.
Let's do shading now.
Add a layer and arrange it below. Select line guides. Select skin color. Now select path through line guide to add in color to. Now lock path and using solid fill path, then hit OK. Now add in color to ears. Always enable lazy when you're using solid fill. Add a layer and arrange it below. Select color. Add in color to shirt. Now add a layer and select color for hair. Add in color to hair using line guide or manually. Select eraser, select solid fill. Erase some portion of hair for parting. Now add slender hair using concept pencil. Select color. And using small size of concept pencil, draw eyebrows. Add an outline to face using line guide. Add outline to ears using line guide. Now add an outline manually. Go to skin layer and add a layer above it, apply clipping mask to it. Add in blush to cheeks using mostly water. Reduce the size and add into eyes. Now select blender and blend this color. Add another stroke. Erase extras. Blend color. Add in shades to hands. Fill the white part of eye. Now add some orange tint to eyes using mostly water. Add color to lens of eye. Add lighter color to lens to give sense of depth using solid fill. Now using mostly water, add blur color. Add a layer above hair layer, and apply clipping mask to it. Add lighter color to center of head. Blend this color. Now add in slender hair using concept pencil. Add lighter shade, blend it. Now use pencil. Now add some highlight to hair. Go to skin clipping mask layer. Add shadows. Go to shirt layer and add a layer above it, apply clipping mask. Add flowers to shirt. Add shadows to shirt. Add shadows to hands on respective layer. Add highlights. Merge layers. Add a layer and arrange it below. Add background color. Add a layer above it. Add random shape. Select tiles pattern. And create some awesome pattern. And this is done.